Hello guys! In this video I will show you how to use Google Cloud for storage. If you want to know how to then this video is for you. In order to do that, just head over to cloud.google.com and then click on this Get Started for free in order to successfully use this Google Cloud console. So if you're already logged into your Google account, then that makes this process easier. So just head over and click on this Agree and Continue right here in order to successfully try out Google Cloud for free for this case. So as you can see, we have now access to all Google Cloud products that will actually help you build your apps, run websites and services in here as well. So once you have done this, you should be able to see this from here and just go to the Google Cloud Home. Now on the Google Cloud Home, you can see in here the storage. So you can actually store any type of data, amount of data, retrieve it as is. You can add HTMLs, any apps, websites, data that you have. You can also add videos, musics, and it actually functions like a Google Drive, but with a lot of storage since it's actually a paid service for the Google Cloud itself. So just head over and then start free or sign up in order to successfully use this storage right here. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below.